You can imagine how cool the house is, man.
Yeah. Huh? Looks just like in the picture.
You can even check the full view, man. It's a cool place, by the way. Yeah? Look how cool it is. I love the place, by the way.
Oh, I miss you so much.
Nice together.
How are you?
Hi. Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm loving it. Hi.
But it really isn't such a big deal. Like this exactly. Like I trust you completely, so
I give you my trust. Then what? Then what?
Of course.
Then what do you need? What do you need?
Give me the phone, please.
No, I'm not giving you. No, let's give. You know what?
Bro,
What's wrong with this?
I don't understand why is it such a big deal?
Unani ati twende.
Mbona unafanya hivyo, bro? Huh?
I don't.
So you said you trust her 100%.
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean,
leo kuna nguvu na ngobadi watu wanajua kazi nafanya amazing zaidi mazina. Nashukuru sana kwa support yenu bwana. Bila nyinyi sasa singeweza kufika sehemu ambayo imefika. Alafu mnafanya jinsi mtamu. By the way ukiniangalia hapa niko na daktari and I'm having Billy here. So najaribu sana for the sake of for the people who doesn't know English, let me just speak in Swahili here and there a little bit. Just for the introduction, what I'm saying is niko hapa kwa faida ya kila mtu ambaye anahitaji msaada wake. That's why Daktari Kiboko yuko hapa. Nazidi kupambana zaidi kuhakikisha kuwa kila kitu na kila mtu ambaye amefanyiwa madhulumu ya hapa na pale, mtetezi wa nyonge yuko hapa ili angalau aweze kufanya makamuzi ya hapa na pale, mambo iwe ni fresh barida for sure. Ukiangalia hapa ndugu yetu leo hayuko sawa. You know, by the way, sometimes unajua mali ya wenyewe ikienda ndio hivyo, lazima unasikia vibaya. So for the sake of Billy, let me speak in English. As I already told you, you know, I'm learning new terminologies here and there. So what I'm saying is I'm trying my level best kuhakikisha kuwa yule jamaa ametuacha na naona kama anapiga simu. I don't know who is calling, but anyway, let me believe kuwa anashughulikia mambo yake mengine ambayo yanamsaidia. So daktari, so Billy, how do you feel? Because you know very well Kiboko is here to help you.
I feel reassured, but it's still just annoying that we have to go through all this shit.
Yeah, sure. So, okay, my brother, I know you're so disappointed. It's life. Sometimes you have to pass some challenges here and there, at least. So,
yeah, let's just get this behind our back and be finished.
Yeah, sure. So anyway, so Daktari, so I'm really happy and I'm very sure that you'll help Billy to get everything back, because the way they're behaving as if this is their property and everything, you know, that's so funny. So let me believe everything will be fine.
Oh, just like I told you, I'm here. Not for only Billy. I am there for everyone and everybody mwenye anaweza kuwa na shida. Just like I told you, mimi ni mtetezi wa wanyonge, and I'll keep standing with them in anything.
In short, you are saying in any circumstances?
In any circumstance, yeah.
Okay, so Daktari, I know sometimes you might not speak fluent English because you know you are a muzee, yeah. But I understand you're trying your level best. And by the way, let me believe kuwa Joy is not that far, because you know I don't want to make you to be very tired here and there, because that's unbelievable. Because bro, you just imagine just following your property as if it's not yours, man. It doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, it's really annoying. Well, here she is.
Oh,
finally!
Wow.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Kwaje? Unajifanya utuone?
Simu tupe time kidogo bana. Tupe time bana. Nataka kuongea na Joy.
Speak in English, bro.
Sisi mimi nimekuambia mzee. Wacha niongee na Joy kwanza. Joy.
Mbona uko unajificha?
You said you would give me the property back. And I want the property back.
Joy, kwani una date mzungu? Tumekaa hapa 2 years hujaniambia.
You said that you would give me the property back, and I'm here to take the property back.
Unaitikia jiva haraka. Unataka tuende tukae wapi?
I don't want to be punished again. So you can take the property. It's even on my mom's name.
Okay, let's go and see the property because not every land then we're here and here.
Wanaingia.
Yani, here we go. It's her saying it, so don't stop us anymore.
They're so disturbing.
Yeah.
They're so stubborn. I don't know why.
I don't know who this guy is. Really annoying.
So annoying, by the way. The property is good. So I want us to know where is the. Hey, you can imagine how cool the house is, man.
Yeah. Looks just like in the picture.
You can even check the full view, man. It's a cool place,
yeah.
By the way. Look how cool it is. I love the place, by the way. So why did you decide maybe to run away?
Because I don't want anything to do with this. This property is on my mom's name. The title deed. My mom's name is there. My mom told me to do everything. Everything that I've done, it's my mom.
So you're saying everything is for...
My mom told me to take the house for herself. It's on her name, you know.
Then call her and tell her to write it on my name.
I will. I'll do that. I'll call her.
And why did you decide to change the house to Airbnb? And initially it was a children's home.
It's my mom. It's my mom. It's not me. It's my mom. My mom is controlling everything.
Wait. It wasn't a children's home initially. It was supposed to be for us. So...
Okay, so Daktari, what Pastor is saying is, why did she decide to change the property from the because you had a plan to put it for children's home. Now, what is saying is, why did she decide to change the house from a living place for you and decided to make it for the Airbnb? So where do you stay?
You stay somewhere around Syokimau. Yeah.
So this is an Airbnb, bro?
Bro, hapa ndo tunakulia bro. Sasa ukianza hizo mastori zingine na wewe ni Mkenya mwenzangu. Jia huyu mlami bana.
No, you know that's so bad, bro. You can't say just because I'm a Kenyan and he's not a Kenyan so that we take his property. That's not the way things are working, bro. Okay? Now I can't defend any person. I'm very genuine and I want to be very straightforward. You know what he's saying is, because I'm a Kenyan, I'm supposed to side with them. And I've said no, I can't do that, bro. Okay?
Please talk a block, bro.
No. That's not the way things are done, bro.
You know,
just imagine he's just abusing me. He's saying, oh, I'm not doing the right thing. At least I could have left the house for them so that maybe you go.
Bro, hii ni kitu tunaweza kaa. Huyu mseka ameshaenda. Tuongee.
Sitaki punishment. I don't want to be punished again. So, you wachana na you take it. I don't want it.
Bro, mi basi nitasimamia punishment.
This guy is very...
Just ignore this guy like at this point. Like what are you even doing? Come on.
Can you just go? Fadhali. Bro, toka hapa. No. Let us go and see the house.
Nitakupea percentage fulani, bro.
I think the house is locked. Where do you take the key?
Tulia kwanza tuongee. Cheki.
Give me the key.
Why did you lock the house, bro?
Give me the key. It's her. Literally.
Nyumba ni yangu, bro.
You asked us to get joined. We got joined. Give us the key.
The key is my mom.
So your mom has the key.
Yes.
So where were you?
Bro, si mimi nilikuwa tu nimetulia mtaa si.
We're just chilling here in the garden or something.
Na mkumbushe mzee. Mimi sielewi kitu anasema.
What is saying? He doesn't understand you. He's saying
Call my mom. She has the key.
So where is the umekuwa ukiishi wapi?
Hii sikusumbue bro. Si bora napata hapa kichele yangu. Hii sikusumbue.
Where's the key?
My mom has the key.
Why did you decide your mom to go with the keys?
She's the one who takes care of every property.
Every property. So you can't stand on your own.
It's my mom. You just know it's my mom. This nigga stays here around here somewhere.
So he stays there.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so what I'll say, me I don't want to waste more time here because unajua it's not.
My mom.
Of course, you just go there and call your mom because that's not it, bro. I don't want to waste your time for sure. I want you to get your property back, and bro,
I can wait.
You can even sit there by the way and wait. Even me, I'm so tired. It's better she calls her mom. We see what you do, doctor. I'm happy. I believe everything will be fine. So what I'll say. It's better she calls her mom because it's not good to waste somebody's time here and there. Daktari naamini kabisa kazi yako ni nzuri na umepambania. You've really tried level best to make Billy everything work and I'm really happy for that.
Oh.
Huyu lakini unajua mnaniconfuse nyinyi mnakaa conme. Juu umeniambia ni pastor. Tena sasa unamwita daktari.
It's pastor. It's called Pastor Kiboko.
Pastor Kiboko, na wacha kusumbua sana, na ukiendelea kuuliza maswali mingi nitakufanyia makamsi. Mimi vile nilisema, mimi ni mtetezi wa wanyonge, na sichagui ni mtu wa aina gani. Mimi nasaidia watu wote. I am here to stand with everybody. Vile nilikuhakikishia, lazima na ni lazima huyu kijana mdogo atapata mali zake, atapata kila kitu. Sasa hata kama atarudi huko ng'ambo, atarudi kama kila kitu yake yeye ndiye atajua. Vile alikuwa amesema, atazipeana kwa wenye hawajiwezi, na nyumba alisema atapea wale watoto wenye hawajiwezi kabisa. So mimi nataka niwahakikishie
Bro, sisi ndio wenyewe kwa wenyewe, si ndio? Si unasikianga mambo ya sisi kwa sisi.
Sisi kwa sisi is what? Have you called your mom? I haven't heard you calling your mom. Why are you lying?
Madhe.
oh
Na madhe.
huyu
Hii ni tunasoti hapa sasa.
Have you heard calling him mom? Unaweza vile unaona vile anajifanya kule?
Bro. Cheki.
Anajifanya kama anapiga
janja bana. Ni nini? Simkuwa janja.
hakuna cha ujanja hapo.
Huyo daktari anapata.
Mimi
Cheki.
ngoja kijana mdogo.
Tunaweza enda cyber, si ndio?
Unampigia?
Tunaweza print.
Bro.
Chakua hivyo.
Sasa
tunaweza print.
Anyway, this I feel like bro, you talk hapa. What's wrong with you, bro?
Kazi kama hiyo mimi sifanyangi. Kazi kama hiyo mimi sifanyangi.
Bro, hivyo utabaki hapa kwa blog.
Iko sawa. Mimi nimekubali nibaki hivyo, lakini nitetee wanyonge.
Daktari waambie uko na mali yako wewe mwenyewe na hutaki mali za watu. So daktari anasimamia ukweli. So the best thing is Billy, if Billy gets everything, it's fine. You see, even Billy is just shocked here and relaxed. Yeah. So what he'll do,
I'll be happy when he gets everything back.
Okay, so let me wait and see what will happen. For now, cut your camera. Huyu na anasumbua.